What's up everybody, Dean Ellis again from Dartech, and I'm just going to continue on with the article manager page, and we'll hopefully get this page all squared away and finished off. If not, then we'll have the categories and the featured articles list to play around with. So we've just done the last tutorial. We just did that top, the menu bar just below the heading. All right, so the one below that, this section here is mainly for searching, filtering, and sorting, and displaying. Okay, and all it is obviously the first one is a search tool. So if you want to search, if you have hundreds and hundreds of articles, and you want to search for a particular one, and you know a keyword, you just type in the keyword in here, and hit the search button, and it displays all the articles with that word in it. Okay, so that's a filter. To go back to the displaying all of them, just go and clear, and that clears all the filtering. Okay, the next one is the search tools, and we covered on this a little bit in the previous tutorials, where we can filter by status, where we can look for all trashed articles, all unpublished, published, and archived articles. Okay, if you click on one of those, it'll display all the articles with that status. Same for the category. If you click on one with a category and choose a category, it'll display all the articles under that category. Okay, now it's also displaying all the subcategory articles as well, if you notice. So there's set up there, and it's displaying all the articles that are down below that subcategory. Again, if you want to clear it, just hit clear. There's the other one there is the max levels. Now the max levels is how many sub-level categories do you want to go down to. So we have 5 in this website. We have 5 sub-levels. So if I just bring it up to 3, notice you won't see any categories at level 4 or level 5. You only see down to level 3. So that's how that one works. And tag, again, you search by tag. Let's go back up in there again. You search by tags that we create. Remember, we create tags in the tags field in the articles. This will list all of the tags that you have listed in your articles, and you can just do a search by that. If you click on camera, it'll display all the articles with the tag camera in it. Pretty straightforward. And select access, again, all articles that are accessible by guests, public, super users, registered, or special. Okay, I don't have those. I don't have articles set up for any of those people at this stage, so they're all public. So we just clear that. Now the other bit here is the ordering section. Now you can order these articles by any one of the titles in ascending or descending. And if you look down here, you'll have a whole list of options. And if you look at them closely, you have ordering ascending, ordering descending, status ascending, status descending, title ascending, title descending. Now you notice that here we have this area here is your ordering column. This area here is your status column, title, and categories also in that title. Then you have access, author, and so on. Okay, so you can just click one of these and go, okay, I want it to be by category descending. And notice it'll put the highest or the lowest level letter first, and it'll go in reverse alphabetical all the way down. The other way you can do your sorting is by clicking on the fields themselves, so the title headings themselves. So if you click on the title heading here, notice over in the drop down here, it'll automatically go to the heading that you've used and go to ascending. Now if you want to change it, just click on the little up arrow that appears next to the title. Okay, notice the field goes to title descending, and your articles go into reverse order. Okay, and that'll work with every single one of these headings. Now the other way you can do it is to come over here into the order column and click on this box here. Notice the little 3 buttons next to each article now highlight. And what you can do now is you can actually physically click and drag your articles up and down into whatever order you want. So we want to put all our featured articles at the top. Move that down there. Just getting all the articles up here. Oh, they're all over the place. Anyway, you get the idea. So you can manually drag them and drop them in any order you like. Okay, so that's how the ordering works. Now the display button over here tells you how many articles you want to display at any one time. So if you want to display all articles, just click on all, and all of the articles will show. Okay, probably won't see a whole lot of difference with mine because I don't have that many articles in this web page. But that's how that one works. Okay, and that's it for this page. Now, the link on the author, the name there, that'll just take you to the user manager. We'll come across that section of Joomla a little later in another playlist. Alright, so the next one down the list here is the categories manager, and you'll find it's all very much the same sort of fields and stuff. Okay, but what you're looking at now is your structure for your categories, and you can do exactly the same thing with these as well. So you can click and drag and put the articles, the order in whichever order you want to place them. Okay, it's probably a little bit hard because we've got sub-level categories there, but if we want to get this down below there, notice it goes down the bottom below the Joomla tutorials, because the Joomla tutorials is all of these subcategories as well. Okay, and that's the order we can put them in. Okay, or you can again click on the headings and sort by that way. Okay, search tools again. Obviously your max levels, your status of your categories. Now you can trash, publish, and archive all your categories as well. You have tags on your categories, don't forget. Again, access levels and your language. Alright, so it's all much the same. And again, the button's clear. So it's very, very much the same system as the articles. And last but not least is the featured articles. This pretty much shows all of your featured articles in your website. So you can see at a glance where your featured articles are and what you need to do with them, or whether you need to turn them on and off or not. Okay, and that's it for the article manager, and the category manager, and the featured articles manager. And I'll call it the end of the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed the articles management side of it, and we'll get on to another playlist directly. Hope you enjoyed this playlist and this tutorial. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be doing more and more of these as the weeks and days go by. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.